Have you ever wondered if Tangerine Bank is a legitimate financial institution? With all the scams and fraud out there, it's understandable to be cautious about online banks. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Tangerine Bank and see if it's a safe and reliable place to do your banking. What is Tangerine Bank? Tangerine Bank is a Canadian bank that offers a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, GICs, mortgages, and credit cards. Tangerine Bank is a member of the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $100,000. Is Tangerine Bank safe? Yes, Tangerine Bank is a safe and legitimate bank. It is a member of the CDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $100,000. Tangerine Bank also has a strong reputation for customer service and security. What are the benefits of banking with Tangerine Bank? There are a number of benefits to banking with Tangerine Bank, including no monthly fees. Tangerine Bank does not charge any monthly fees for its checking or savings accounts. Great interest rates. Tangerine Bank offers some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts in Canada. 24/7 customer service. Tangerine Bank offers 24/7 customer service, so you can get help whenever you need it. Mobile banking app. Tangerine Bank has a great mobile banking app that makes it easy to manage your finances on the go. What are the drawbacks of banking with Tangerine Bank? There are a few drawbacks to banking with Tangerine Bank, including no physical branches. Tangerine Bank does not have any physical branches, which can be inconvenient for some people. Limited services. Tangerine Bank does not offer as many services as some other banks, such as commercial banking and investment services. Limited hours. Tangerine Bank's customer service hours are limited to Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Should you bank with Tangerine Bank? Whether or not you should bank with Tangerine Bank depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for a safe and reliable bank with no monthly fees and great interest rates, then Tangerine Bank may be a good option for you. However, if you need access to a physical branch or a wider range of services, then Tangerine Bank may not be the right choice. Tangerine Bank is a safe and legitimate bank with a strong reputation for customer service and security. It offers a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, GICs, mortgages, and credit cards. Tangerine Bank is a member of the CDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $100,000. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.